PG Father Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,000 feet.
So there in the distance we've got a KLM 737-800 coming in. Doing the familiar crabbing now. There's a little fencer, got his landing lights on now. Out the way, the fencer, thank you. Going around, there we go, going around. It's the first ever go around I've witnessed. And I don't blame him at all. There was a massive gust there. Absolute massive gust of wind just as he was at the decision point. Very safe, well done mate. We're flying what they call the missed approach procedure. Turning right, heading to 360. Well done mate. Definitely the right thing to do. Okay, we've got another aircraft on final approach. Not quite sure where this one is coming from or what the airline is. Just hope the autofocus behaves itself this time. Quite strong wind at the moment. Bit of a wingy wobble there. That's okay, wind's dropped. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. He's going around, going around. Don't blame him. That was pretty nasty there towards the end, to be honest. Definitely the right decision. Again. Cool aircraft. So that's 2 go-arounds out of 3 aircraft landing. Right, here's the Turkish. Not the EasyJet Turkish that I had a minute ago. Yet again. Ooh, hello. Ooh, there we go. Go around, out of focus. Don't blame it. That was, even though it was a little bit out of focus, that wasn't a nice approach at all. Turkish flying the missed approach again. Turn right, heading 360 degrees, climb to 3,500 feet. And off it goes into another lap, we'll be back in a bit. So that aircraft has flown a missed approach without even getting really close to the ground. It must have been unstable. It's a little Embraer 195. Didn't fancy his chances, so has gone around already. So you're turning, heading 360, and it'll climb out. So stable on approach there.